Here are 10 historical facts about Alexander the Great. 1. Alexander the Great was born in 356 BC in Pella, the ancient capital of Macedonia. 2. He was tutored by the philosopher Aristotle during his youth, which greatly influenced his thinking and approach to leadership. 3. Alexander became king of Macedonia after his father's assassination in 336 BC, and he embarked on his conquest shortly thereafter. 4. His military campaigns, known as the Alexander's Conquests, stretched from Greece to Egypt, Persia, and as far east as India, creating one of the largest empires in history. 5. In 334 BC, he famously crossed the Hellespont, Dardanelles, with his army to begin his invasion of the Persian Empire. 6. He won a series of decisive battles, including the Battle of Issus in 333 BC and the Battle of Gaugamela in 331 BC, which secured his dominance over Persia. 7. During his rule, Alexander founded numerous cities, many of which were named after him, including Alexandria in Egypt and Bactra in modern-day Afghanistan. 8. He married Roxana, a Bactrian princess, in 327 BC. They had a son named Alexander IV, who became a pawn in the struggles that followed Alexander's death. 9. In 323 BC, Alexander fell ill and died in Babylon at the age of 32. The exact cause of his death remains a subject of debate among historians. 10. Following his death, his empire was divided among his generals, marking the beginning of the Hellenistic period, during which Greek culture spread throughout the newly formed kingdoms. These facts provide a glimpse into the life and legacy of one of history's most renowned military leaders.